Andũ atano a family imwe ni makuire hau thutha wa ngari muthemba wa Mercedes Benz kuguthana kiongo wa kiongo na lori ya gukua muthanga mwena wa Baruku barabara-ini nene ya Naikuru guthie Nairobi. Akiheana uhoro uyu, OCPD wa Girigiri Jamrek Garuya augite aria makuite ni mutumia na ciana cia Kenya iria ni hamwe na mahatha a ukuru wa mieri 7.
The 4 bodies of the deceased persons were removed from the scene and are currently kept at Girigiri Sub-County Hospital.
Jamrek Garuya athite na mbere na kuga mutino uyu uhanikire thutha wa ngari ya Mercedes Benz riria ikugeragia kuhetuka ngari iria ingi na igutwarithagio na thibidi ya iguru. Ndereba wa ngari ino riu niunikire kuguru na guoko na arathie na mbere na kwamukira urigiti thibitari-ini wa St Joseph.
There was a Mercedes compressor saloon which was driven by one Christopher Bunny, and on board he had 5 other passengers, a woman and 4 children. He left his lane to overtake. Then unfortunately there was another lorry which was coming from the Nakuru direction towards Girigiri, a Mercedes Actros. There was head-on collision, and due to the impact, the passengers on board of the Mercedes compressor, 4 of them died at the scene of accident on the spot. Then the driver was rushed to St. Joseph Hospital for treatment. Both the vehicles have been towed to Girigiri Police Station for further investigation.
Ona gukirira uguo, ndereba wa lori ya gukua muthanga ahonokire gikuo ciarira kuona endanauma atihangitio ona hanini. Miri acio atano igitwo nyumba-ini ya kuiga miri.
The lorry is damaged, and you know the lorry and the smoker, the impact the lorry gets slight damages, but the Mercedes is extensively damaged. The driver of the truck is safe.
Imwe cia barabara iria itongoretie bururi-ini hari mitino ya barabara kuria andu matigagwo na nguraro iria cimaririkanagia ruo ruria managerera na amwe magakua ni barabara nene ya Nairobi guthie Naikuru. Kiuria kinene muingi uthiete na mbere na kwiyuria ni nginya ri andu maguthie na mbere na gukua ni undu wa mitino ya barabara. Handu-ini ha Keo TV, njitagwo Irimu wa Wanjiru.